Mya Go is going on a class trip to visit the traffic light factory. Mama Stop works here and she's ready to show all the class around.
Welcome, everyone. Are you all looking forward to the tour?
Yes, we are.
It's all they've been talking about. Well, that and stopping for ice cream afterwards.
I like your badge, Mama Stop.
That's my safety officer badge. It's my job to make sure that the factory equipment and the workers are all safe. Follow me.
Mya Go and her class arrive at the first stop on their factory tour.
Look at all those machines. I wonder what that one does.
Actually, all the machines help with the same thing. It's an assembly line where we make our traffic lights, like this one. Who knows what the red light means?
Stop.
What about green?
Go.
Very good. And yellow?
Huh? We don't know.
That's okay. A lot of grown-ups don't know either. Now let's go see how the lights are made. Each worker uses their machine to put together different parts that work the lights. Kind of like a jigsaw puzzle.
There are so many machines.
Yes, Maya. Years ago, this was all done by hand, which took a lot longer. The machines get things done faster. Right now, we're working on lights for tomorrow's everyday fun run. They need lots of them to direct traffic and keep the runners safe. This next machine makes poles for the traffic lights to stand on.
Oh, I think you might have dropped something there, Mama Stop.
What's happening? Are the lights finished?
I'm afraid not. That alarm means one of the machines is blocked.
Can you fix it? Maybe you can turn it on and off again. That's what my dada does.
It's not that easy. We have to take the machine apart to unblock it.
Oh no! What about the traffic lights?
We can't make any lights until we fix the machine. They probably won't be able to have the fun run. I'm sorry, children, but I think the tour is over.
Aww! I wish there was another way to make the lights. Then we could finish the tour.
And the fun run could still happen.
Well, we could finish the lights by hand, but we don't have enough people.
We can help.
Can we help out, Miss Teach?
Are you asking me to let very young children do lots of very difficult grown-up factory work?
Yes, please.
All right then, but be careful.
Soon everybody's hard at work, making traffic lights.